Welcome to Pelham Parkway, right here in the Bronx. Before we even get inside, take a look at this. A dog run directly across from the building, so your four-legged friend has a place to stretch their legs, just steps from home. Let's head inside and make our way up to Unit 5A. Up we go. And here we are, 5A. Notice the solid doors and classic hardware, real pre-war craftsmanship you don't find in newer buildings. Let's step inside and take a look around. Right away, you feel that pre-war charm. High ceilings, thick moldings, real character throughout. And check out this step down here. This leads into a sunken living room, one of the true standout features of this home. This is the heart of the home. A spacious, sunken living room with gorgeous hardwood floors throughout. Tons of natural light pouring in through these windows. And look at that view, leafy and green. A peaceful outlook for a city apartment. Plenty of room here to entertain, relax, or just unwind after a long day. Right off the living area, into the kitchen, functional and bright, with generous cabinet and counter space. You've got everything you need here to cook up your favorite meals, plus plenty of storage tucked into every corner. Down the hallway now to the bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, generously sized, with great natural light and ample closet space, just like every room in this home. And right next door, the full bathroom, clean, tiled, and well kept. And here's the second bedroom, even more spacious, with beautiful views, elegant finishes, and plenty of room to make it your own, whether that's a primary suite, guest room, or home office. Notice the closet space throughout this home, a rare find in a pre-war building. Now let's step back outside. Because the location here is just as impressive as the apartment itself. Your steps from local shops, restaurants, and everyday conveniences right on the block, plus easy access to public transportation for commuting into Manhattan or getting around the Bronx. And if you keep walking just a few minutes from the building, this is what you'll find. Direct access into the park, with paved paths made for walking, jogging, or biking. This is the Bronx River Greenway, right in your backyard. A peaceful escape from the city, with a playground for the little ones just up the path too. This is Pelham Parkway living at its best. Comfort, character, and unbeatable convenience, all wrapped into one incredible home. Unit 5A is ready for its next event. Reach out today to schedule your private showing.